Welcome. Info is a Nokia 1 Plus, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So before we get started, you will need a cable like this one that I usually use for charging, and plug it into your computer and have it ready somewhere on the side. So then we can proceed to actually power off the device. So hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, what you want to do is plug it in with that cable. Give it a moment, it will show that it's charging. Okay, so once you see the battery, now we can hold volume up and power key. So let's hold that. And once you see the Android, you can let go. Okay, so from here the cable is not needed anymore. So the next thing you will see is basically this screen, the Android logo with no command. So what you want to do is, while holding power key, tap volume up once. So hold power and tap volume up once, and you get taken to the recovery mode. And from here you will use volume up and down to navigate, like so, and power key will be used to select. And as you can see, you can reboot the system, you can boot to bootloader, apply updates, do a wipe of the phone, view recovery logs, and a couple other things. I'm just simply gonna reboot system now and confirm with the power key, and now the phone will be putting back into the normal Android. And as you can see, we're back in the normal Android. So that is how you would access the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.